In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable volume in TradingView. If you're familiar with stock charts, you probably know that volume plays a crucial role in understanding market movements. So, let's dive right into how you can easily add this important information to your TradingView charts. To begin, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and have your chart open in front of you. At the top of the screen, you'll notice the toolbar filled with various options. What you want to look for is the Indicators and Strategies button, which is conveniently located along this top toolbar. Go ahead and click on it. This action is going to open up a new window that contains a plethora of options you can explore. TradingView offers a multitude of indicators and strategies that you can apply to your chart, but for today, we'll be focusing on volume. Once that new window pops up, you'll see a search field right at the top. This is where you're going to type in volume. Now, TradingView has quite an extensive library of indicators, so typing in volume helps filter out the clutter and bring up exactly what you need without having to scroll through numerous options. As you start typing, you might notice other indicators that come up related to volume, but for the purposes of our video today, you'll want to make sure you select the built-in volume indicator. When you select the built-in volume indicator from the list, automatically a volume histogram will appear below the main chart, usually taking up the space below your price candles. The histogram showcases the volume of trades that have occurred in your chosen time frame, with each bar representing a specific period based on your chart settings. The colors of the bars represent whether the volume is associated with a price increase or decrease, often colored as green for an up day and red for a down day. And that's it. You've successfully added volume to your TradingView chart. This simple addition can provide valuable insights and context into the price movements you're analyzing. It's a fantastic way to enhance your trading strategy. Remember, visual interpretation of volume can signal momentum shifts, validate price movements, or even spot potential reversals, so you'll definitely want to familiarize yourself with what these changes might mean. As always, I recommend taking some time to explore and interact with the different settings and features in TradingView. Each indicator has various settings you can tweak to better align with your personal trading preferences. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and insights. Happy trading!